this video, we will see the steps to follow when your JIO set-top box is not working. Firstly, check for LED color light on your set-top box. There could be 5 possible scenarios. If the LED light is steady and is green, it means that the set-top box is on. If the LED light is steady and is red, it means that the set-top box is on standby. Press power button on JIO remote to switch it on. If the LED light is green and blinking, set-top box needs to be rebooted. If the LED light is red and blinking, contact JIO Care. If there is no light on your set-top box, then check whether the power adapter of your set-top box is connected to a power source. Now, ensure that the correct TV source, that is HDMI, is selected as the input from your TV remote. If the issue is not resolved, unplug and replug the TV input, that is the HDMI cable. If the problem persists, check block status on the home screen. If your set-top box is blocked, open the My JIO app on your smartphone and click on My Device. Here, choose your set-top box and unblock it. If your set-top box is still not working, contact JIO Care and generate a service request by calling on JIO's toll-free number, that is 1800-896-9999, or write to us at jiofibercare@jio.com. In this video, we understood the steps to follow when your JIO set-top box is not working.